This is Charing Cross Underground Station, close to Trafalgar Square. Charing Cross, that's the Trafalgar Square, and that's Charing Cross entrance, the underground, and live in London, England, in Charing Cross Underground. If you're in London, visit this beautiful place. It has the Trafalgar Square right there. There's a concert going on today. And then there's a train station there. And from there, beautiful architecture. And over there, by the traffic light, is Leicester Square. Leicester Square. That's the black cab. That's the black cab, London black cab. Take a ride, and that's the buses, the London buses, right there, right in London. What's up, London? What's up? What's up? Bye-bye.